Lake Dunn is a freshwater lake in the locality of Upland in the Barcaldine region of Queensland. Also known as Pajingo Bolla, meaning big fella waterhole. The lake is the only wetland area in central West Queensland. Therefore, a lot of bird life is attracted to the area.
The Stone Healing Circle is an interesting stopping point on your journey to Lake Dunn. It is an ancient sacred healing circle which is connected to 6 others in the world. The others are located in Japan, Tibet, Madagascar, Peru, Turkey and the USA. When you step into the centre, the Eye of God, you are connected to the energies of all 7 circles. The circle is used for prayer, meditation and healing of the mind, body and soul.